Okay, so I will be taking your practicals. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
PSM practical. So questions. এইখিনি হয় questions. তোমালোকৰ to start কৰিব পাৰা. Is it visible? Screen? Is the screen visible? Screen খন দেখা পাই না?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you write down the questions. ঠিক আছে, তাৰপিছত you can start writing the answers. It's for 25 marks. Okay. Question number 1 হয় name the vital signs. Just name to likha, just naam to likha, no need any explanations. Dibo nalage, just first word juntu ase etu likha. Second question etu fill in the blanks hoy. Third question short note. Temperature, pulse, temperature, respiration aru blood pressure likha. Short note. Our last question hoy draw and mention the sites of pulse. Pulse or sites I have given you the pulse sites. Ekhini you will have to draw and then you will have to mention the parts. So write down the questions and you can start answering the questions. All of you write down the questions first. Nohole screenshot loi lua. You can also take the screenshot and you can start writing the answers. Aru tomar videos to on kora. Videos on no korile keneko moi gom pam. Turn on your videos and you can start answering. Finish writing the questions. You can please turn on your videos and you can start answering. Videos to turn on kora. Turn on your videos. Turn on your videos fast. Without your videos, how can you write the exam? Otherwise, you can leave the class. and I will give you 0 for internal marks. Internal marks নালাগে নেকি তোমালোকৰ হা? আৰু বহুতে join কৰা নাই, test আছে যে সেইকাৰণে join কৰা নাই চাগে। So they will obviously get 0. I won't give them any internal marks without exams, without anything. How can I? You all didn't even submit practical notebook. Ekho nai. Then how can I give you practical internal marks? To he karone I need to take class test so as I can see your performance. Joldi on kora videos aru start kora. Nohole you can leave the group. Himangshu, Jeet, Monu Chetri, video turn on kora. Jury, Daimari, Aikman Shisha, Noor, Manoj and all. Jeet, turn on your video soon, otherwise I will let you leave the group and you will not be able to join again. Manoj and all, turn on your video soon. Aikman Shisha, Himangshu, Noor. Okay, you all can leave the meeting. Himangshu. Monu Chetri, I'm warning you for the last time. If you don't on your video, I will have to remove you from the list. I have already removed Himangshu, I guess.
Hello, ma'am. Himanshu video on kori ase. Please add him.
Code video on kori ase. On kora nai, moi remove kori dilu. I don't know.
Just he mane option to click kori asile mane tar network
Just one night tumi kene ko sai phala tar pora. Tomor logo ekaloge thake niki?
Hoy hoy ma'am.
Kiman bar kobo laga hoy? Exam to tomorrow karone hoy. Okay, exam is for you all only. If you give the exam, you will get good marks. If you don't give, it's all for you only.
Ma'am, hello, ma'am. Ma'am, show again the question.
Question.
Yes, ma'am. Repeat. Ulang rete. Okay, nang text saya kalian tamiri.
Are you able
I'm
to
not sure.
see?
Yes, ma'am. Name the Vita sign.
First question, you just write the names. No need any explanation. Second question, fill in the blanks. Third question is short note. And the last one is draw and mention the sides of pulse.
Text saya tu kan. Ada
Only question. Finish writing the questions, Matilang.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Respiration. Ali ako layo kadur tayo mano.
Don't talk and don't laugh, Matilang.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Jeet, what happened? Right. Debanka Kumar, turn on your video. Video on kora. Jeet, you collect the attendance, okay?
মেম
তুমি তাত কি কৰি আছা হা
মেম মোৰ জয়েন হোৱা নাই এতিয়া ৰিমুভ কৰি দিয়াৰ কাৰণে
তোমাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো কিয় আছিলে অন কিয়
মানে মোৰ নেটৱৰ্ক প্ৰব্লেম দি আছিলে মেম
লিখা
এতিয়া
ঠিক
জয়েন হোৱা
আছে
নাই
লিখি
মেম
হ'ব দিয়া তুমি তাৰ পৰা লিখি সাবমিট কৰি দিবা Jeet, you write his name also, okay, in attendance.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Jury, writing on your own, na? Noor, turn on your video.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I think you didn't told us about blood pressure.
It's already completed in the vital signs. Long time back, maybe you were absent.
No, ma'am. You have not given us.
Blood
You
pressure.
told us.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
I was about to say this.
Then no need to write that one. Skip that.
Then, ma'am, that name the vital signs, and we have to write there about this.
Yeah,
blood
there you
pressure,
write.
no?
There you just name. There you just name it, but no need to give the explanation.
Okay.
Okay. And in short note, number 3, you can write down pulse.
Okay.
Instead of blood pressure, you write down pulse. Jury Diary, you are writing on your own or not? Write on your own, okay, Jury? By seeing your eyes only, I can know. Aminul, তোমার friend to code.
তাৰ ৰুমত আছে মেম
কোনটো ৰুমত?
বেলেগ এটা ৰুমত আছে
তাৰ পৰা চাই লিখি আছে চাগে।
নাই মেম এইটো মোৰ ৰুম খালী মেম
Ma'am, can you submit?
Finish it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, submit. You can click the picture and send, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And take the attendance also. And one more
Ma'am,
is there,
what is
okay,
up?
Jit, with Aminul. I think
Ma'am,
Himangshu.
ma'am.
yes ma'am
Write Himangshu's
Hello, ma'am.
name also in attendance, huh?
Oh, okay, okay. No, let them write in the chat box so that I can screenshot it.
Please write in the chat box. Write in the chat box first, and then like we can take picture. Wait. I'll- Aminul, Matilang, Jury, Aikman, Shisha, you please write down your roll numbers in the chat box so that Jeet can write it down or take the picture. First sessional keneka gol. How was your first sessional exam? Jeet,
Not pretty good, ma'am.
why? The questions were tough.
Not studying properly.
Study. Second sessional might be on the month of February. Not sure, but maybe. Second sessional.
Ma'am, hello, ma'am. When will the final exam?
Final exam, still now routine has not been out. So I cannot say, like, when we get the notice, we will let you know. Kintu for
No,
now,
ma'am,
they have
like-
not. Huh?
Like early year, like last year, previous year.
February, March, like that. March, like that. It might be on the month of March.
Ma'am, do you know when university will open?
I think first year, I think you all might come on the month of March. I heard that you all will be allowed to come by the month of March. Why excited to come to university?
Yeah. Ma'am, like staying for 1 year at home.
Yeah.
So boring.
Yeah. Okay, you all can come, I guess, by the month of March.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
That
Ma'am,
means,
আমি
ma'am,
ডেইলি
final exam will be at the
ইউনিভার্সিটিলৈ গৈ
university.
থাকো মেম।
কিয়?
তাতে আমি জিমত এডমিশন লৈছো মেম।
অ হয় নেকি? তুমি এতিয়া ক'ত আছা?
হয় মেম।
ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি, হোষ্টেল নেকি?
নাই মেম, ৰেন্টত ৰুম লৈছো মেম।
অ অলৰেডি আহি পাইছা?
পিজি টাইপ।
ওকে ওকে ওকে। পিজি এই তলত গেটৰ তলত নেকি?
নাই মেম, একেবাৰে বজাৰত আছে, পানীখেতি বজাৰৰ তলতে
অ
একেবাৰে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
এই পৰি গাৰ্লছ হোষ্টেল।
জিম জইন কৰিছা? অ ঠিকে আছে।
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that means final exam will be at the university, right?
If you all are called, then I think so. And if by chance they ask us to conduct your finals by the month of February, then it will be online. And Jodi, if your finals are on the month of March, by the time if you come, then it will be offline. So it depends on the admin staffs also, no? On the administration, how it says, how it conducts.
Ma'am, can I leave now?
Yes, yes, yes. Matilang. Finish? Okay, you all please write down and submit, okay? Because at Itia, only 1 minute is left. The meeting will get over. ঠিক আছে? Within 10 minutes, submit. Within 10 minutes, you submit. You click the picture and submit it, okay? All of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.